Hello children, good morning all of you. Children, we are doing revision for your exams, right? So we have done with chapter 1 Earth our home. All of you open chapter 2 today, okay? We will do revision in chapter 2. See the hard words. Spherical, spherical, spherical means shaped like a sphere. Model, model means physical representation of an object. Voyage, voyage means a long journey involving travel by sea. Bulge, bulge means swollen, swollen, swollen. Astronauts means astronauts. Astronauts means a person who is trained to travel in spacecraft. Next one is Atlas, Atlas. Atlas means special book of maps. Next one is wall maps, means large maps that are usually hung on walls. Okay, these are the hard words. And now come to the fill in the blanks. See the first one. Earth is dash in shape. Earth is spherical in shape. Dash is the smallest continent. Australia is the smallest continent. The large areas of land are dash. The large areas of land are continents. Dash is the largest continent. Asia is the largest continent. Dash and dash are the tools used to study Earth. Globes and maps are the tools used to study Earth. Now choose the correct answers. See the first one. Large bodies of water on Earth are called what? Large bodies of water on Earth are called continents, rivers, oceans, plateaus. So, large bodies of water on Earth are called oceans. Okay. Now see the second one. How many oceans are there? 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, there are 5 oceans. Now third one. Dash is the round model of Earth. Globe, map, wall map or none of the above. So, globe is the round model of Earth. See the fourth one. What is a book of maps called? Wall maps, maps, atlas, globes. A book of maps called atlas. Okay. See the fifth one. Dash is the largest ocean in the world. Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean or Arctic Ocean. So Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. These are the choose the correct answers. Now come to short answers. First one. Define globe. Define globe. A globe is a small round model of Earth. Second one. The large areas of land are called what? The large areas of land are called continents. Third one. The deepest ocean in the world is Pacific Ocean. Fourth one. Which is the smallest continent? Australia is the smallest continent. Fifth one. Name any 3 oceans and continents. The 3 oceans are Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and the continents are Asia, Africa and Europe. Now see long answers. Okay. Write the disadvantages of a globe. Write the disadvantages of a globe. We can see only half of the earth at a time. We need to rotate the globe to see other half. Its small size makes it difficult to study places in detail. It's difficult to carry a globe from one place to another. Second one. What are continents? Name them. The large areas of land are continents. The continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Third question. What are oceans? Name them. Large water bodies on Earth are oceans. They have salty water, The oceans are Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. So this is all about our second chapter looking at the earth. Children, you have to read carefully. You have to do revision for your exams. Okay, bye children.